Do you want to know how you can see the channel members in your Telegram channel? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can see the members on your Telegram channel. Go ahead and open Telegram. And let's suppose I want to see the members of this channel over here. I'll click on this and I will click on the icon of the channel and I will go to subscribers. You can see that you can see the members of this channel. You must also know that you must be the admin of this channel or must be included in the private channel or public channel to watch or to see the subscribers. So go ahead and tap on the channel, go to its name and click on subscribers. You can see that these are the channel members. I hope this video about how you can see members in your Telegram channel was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.